Hello everyone and welcome back. It's now time for the DIY SOS, get all the garden jobs done, simply because nobody else is going to do it, so I've got to do it all myself. As you're all aware if you've been watching my channel, over this winter the garden's absolutely destroyed my garden. It's took all the corder lines all back to the ground, it's wrecked all my fatsias, it's just destroyed. The frost has just destroyed everything it's touched, and it's decimated my garden, as you can all see from these beautiful pictures of a not so tropical garden. It is an absolute bomb. So my aim in this video is to get all the cardboard all off the plants, all the leaves off, get all the garden mulched again, get some nice fresh compost, some nice fresh soil, get all the borders all filled up, try and get everything pruned back, make everything look 100% more presentable than what it looks like now, because this is just depressing. As you can tell by the tone of my voice, I'm all excited, raring to go. I bet my neighbours next door, if you can hear the little kids, think, what is this loony doing talking to a camera like this in the garden? But needs must, trying to stay positive. So without any further ado, let's get gardening. The first job of the year is to get this wheelie bin sorted. Look at that, all full of water. It's not just water, that's rotted down pumpkin leaves from last November. Oh my god, it absolutely stinks. I bet my neighbours on the other side love me now. It smells like silage, smells like a cow farm, but I don't care. I've got a nice empty wheel bin. That's enough talking for me for a bit. Let's get this garden sorted out and let's see what I can do. Here we are at the back of the border. As you can see right in front of me, that's my old phormium. Frost took it right back to the ground, so all I've done is chopped all the dead matter off, and it should regrow from the base. On the left hand side, I don't know if you can just see it in the top left hand corner, that's my old callistemons. Fingers crossed they'll grow back. Feel like Andy Flintoff now, playing cricket. Rain stop play. Uff, brew time. Rain's finally buggered off again. My last bit of depression of the winter is my EBs. They are dead. They are toast. All I'm going to do, they're dug out, they're gone. Mina Labata seeds here. Finally some positivity. Gonna get them chopped off, and I'm gonna get them sowed in a week or two. Get them ready to plant back out when the warmer weather gets here. So that's 2 wheelie bins all filled up, mine and my next door neighbour Dave's. Cheers mate, use his bin, he's a legend to me, always helps me out. So a little wander around my garden, all tidied up, 20 bags of compost and soil, all chucked down. Everywhere looks 100% better. I can actually now think of a plan of what I'm going to do this year. Haven't quite got there yet, still in my head, still trying to work it out, but as you can see, I've made a start in the garden. Let's get some positive vibes going for this year's growing season. So that's me done for this video. I'll wrap it up there, so if you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's see what I can get this garden growing into this year. I can't wait, hope you all come along for the ride. Thanks everyone for watching, so see you all again in the next video.